Today is the day that we are going to fix this thing up and get the chickens ready to move in. Amelia is still asleep. It's kind of early, so I've got to get a start on it. She will be out here very soon and she's going to be helping. It is a brisk, probably 40 degrees right now. It was 29 this morning. Very cold for Louisiana this time of the year, but still a great day. Got all the stuff we need, new siding, new trim. About to go start taking apart and getting to work. The inside of the coop, still in great shape on the inside. It's fine, it's just this wall. I had this idea of putting in this nesting box, and the nesting box is fine too. But the access that I built for it, right here, see how it does not close right. The problem is I used OSB plywood, and I knew it wasn't the best thing to use, but we were running out of money. So we used OSB and tried to waterproof it as best we could. There's just no way to do that. And I knew this was going to happen eventually, and we were going to have to rebuild the wall. And today is that day. So we're going to take this entire mildewy wall off. And I'm going to take apart this nesting box since we have a new one. We're going to put a new one in. And I also bought a new wall for this side too. That doesn't really need it, but I just figured might as well. So I don't know. We'll see if we do that. But for sure, obviously, this side needs some TLC. We don't want our chickens to be in here sniffing up all this mold and mildew. So first thing I'm going to do is take that wall off, and we'll take this apart, and then we'll fit the next nesting box into the new side panel, get everything connected. Amelia's awake. She's out here with us. So turns out we have a lot more work to do than I was hoping. You go take a look, Millie? Let's go take a look.
There's screws inside. There's nails and screws. You don't want to go in there.
You see that board right there?
Yeah.
That's all termites.
What are termites?
Termites are little bugs that eat wood. And so we've got termite damage on that piece of wood. The whole floor had termite damage.
Even a spider web.
I think we can salvage this board. So what I did is I went and bought a new floor. We're going to slide the new floor in there, replace some of these studs, then we'll put our new wall on.
Yeah.
So obviously we got a little cleanup to do too. You ready to help?
Yeah.
Watch your nails.
Guys, we're going to cut our floor out and get our measurements.
We cut our measurements. This is a 4x8 piece of plywood, and we're cutting it at 89.5 by 44 3/4.
Yeah, look, there's a line and there's a line back to the
Yep, we're using our Craig rip cut because it helps keep that line straight. Let's plug it up and get it cut.
quick.
Yeah, it don't take long with that old rip cut, does it?
Yeah.
Line it up and just go.
And Daddy.
Dirt.
I thought that was cool. It's a crawfish now.
You making mud patties? All right, well, me and Millie, we're about to go take this floor and slide it into the coop. You ready?
Yeah. And now we're going to place the rotten. Now we're going to place the rotten. Daddy, I
Some
said
rotten wood.
Daddy, I said it too.
Some rotten right on the bottom. So we
Daddy.
just put a little support on it. We're going to do the same with that. We'll put 2 more new studs on the corners. And then our wall will be done, and we'll just have to put the siding on, huh?
Then
And
I
then-
just have to put like my other eyes washed.
Yeah. And then we're going to be building the door next after we get the walls
Wait,
on.
I think this should be the door.
Oh, yeah?
I can fit through it.
You can fit through here, too. That's where the door will go.
Yeah.
Let's get it working.
Okay, all right, the walls are up. Daddy. Daddy.
New walls, new floors, some new studs.
It's warm. Daddy,
Some of them were still strong enough.
What is this?
I don't know. It's high trash we can throw away. So, it's looking pretty
We
good.
have to do all this.
Oh no, that's fine. We're gonna leave that. So all we gotta do now is put the trim siding up. We got to cut out a little hole for our nesting box. And then obviously, we've got to build a door.
Yeah, there has to be a door.
Has to be a door. Keep the dogs out, right?
Yeah,
Alright, so
we're going to make it strong.
let's go ahead. We're going to finish putting, we got to put a few more screws here in this wall here. And I'm going to put the trim up.
Yeah, I want to help. I want to help.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We finished the coop. Guess what's inside?
Finally got the door on. We got the trim.
It's
We
hard to
painted it.
It needs to be hard to open. It's already scratched up. They got so big.
Don't go up in there. You got wet feet.
Do not.
We moved them in here last night. We knew it was going to storm today.
Hey,
And the
chickies.
good thing is, it's
They're okay.
completely dry in here, and they are okay. So our coop is waterproof. That's good. The door works good.
They already pooped
The
a
chickens
lot.
are happy.
And pooped a lot already.
They have pooped a lot.
I see that.
All we have to do next is we're going to put the nesting box right there. But they're not quite ready to start laying eggs yet, so we got a few days before we're going to do that. They're definitely getting bigger. Let's show them the run, Millie.
Okay. You don't want them escaping. It's hard to open and close.
We got it, some weather stripping in there makes it kind of difficult. So this is the run.
Wait, what's a run?
It's called a chicken run. It's where they come out and play.
Oh, I know. Wait. Daddy's out here.
So we put some fresh mulch in here. This is what they eat out of. We got a big old 5-gallon bucket. They stick their heads in there and eat.
It's good that it's dry in here.
And then they got their 7-gallon water tank. So
Daddy, you can see them from the hole.
with the rain going on, they're hanging out inside right now.
They're too scared to come out.
But that's it.
They can hear really well. So
The coop is done. There's a few more housekeeping things. Obviously, we got to finish a little bit of painting.
But
it's
done enough.
waterproof. You all right there, Fisher?
It's good. It's good enough for them to be in
It's
here
good enough
now.
for them to be in there, and they are completely safe now. There's no way
Daddy,
anything can get in here and get to them.
Yeah, because that little thing that's in your hand will keep them from getting in. Is that and it's definitely strong now. Wait, what's that do?
This just keeps it from being able to open. See? Now we can't open the gate. Oh, we're starting to pick up. The rain is starting, guys. Let's go back inside, all right?
Okay. We got a little wet, but that's okay. Because I like playing in the rain.
Yeah, we barely got in here, but we got a little wet.
I was drinking it.
Well, that's I think that's the end of our. Oh, get out of there! I think that's the end of our video, Mill. What do you think?
No, we need some more videos.
They're
really big.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna make some more videos, but that's the end of our coop build.
Yay!
We'll post some more videos when we put the nesting box in there.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for watching and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Subscribe!